Welcome to Just SAP It. In this tutorial video, we gonna learn about logical expressions. Logical expression is either a single relational expression, rel_exp, or an expression constructed from the Boolean operators, like not, and, or, equiv, and one or more logical expressions. Parentheses are possible here. Logical expression formulates a condition for operands. The result of a logical expression log_exp is a truth value, and can therefore be true or false. Moving to the first category, that is, comparing bit sequences. Using the operators you can compare the bit sequence of the first operand with that of the second. In the upcoming videos we will perform a program on the same. The second category is, checking for initial value. While designing new table, we often enable the initial value check to set the initial value for the field based on the data type. The third category is, checking selection criteria. The selection criterion is set on the query selection screen if the corresponding data source node is in any way relevant to the query. If you want to assign special attributes to the selection criterion, use the additions line. There you can specify all the additions allowed with the ABAP statement select options. The fourth category is, checking assignment of field symbols. If the type is specified, the field symbol and data object type compatibility is checked in the assign statement. Field symbols may point to any ABAP data object, which must be declared before assigning the field symbol to the same data object. The last category is, combining logical expressions. Boolean operators are used to combine the logical expressions to produce a single output. Logical expression is a combination of one or more operands with a relational operator. Logical expression output is either true or false. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.